Okay, Alex, you have 6 minutes. You have 6 minutes for your presentation. When you hear the bell ring once, means you have 1 minute left and prepare to wrap up your presentation. When you hear the bell ring twice, means you have stopped your presentation. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Alex.
Thank you, Dr. K. Leong, and thank you, Amy, for reading my bio. So, good morning, fellow referral partners and visitors. I'm Alex Kway from Macarios Services. So, since 2016, we have been offering general insurance and Takafu solutions backed by the leading underwriters such as Berjaya Sompo, Chubb, Generali, and others. As of December 2024, my agency have reached 2 million ringgit annual gross return premium. This is a milestone that reflects the trust of our clients across the various industries. So, Macarios focus on business solutions tailored for corporate needs, ranging from fire, burglary, motor to cargo insurance, engineering, constructions, business liabilities, and whatnot. So, with 16 years of experience, this insurance Padang down to Padang as well, I bring both technical know-how and the practical insights to the table of my client. I'm also an associate member of the Asian Institute of Insurance, so my expertise spans marine construction, property, claims management, and casualties. So, next slide. Today, I'm delighted to share about this all-in-one insurance plan that is designed for JMB and MC. Okay, so under the Strata Management Act 2013, every high-rise building, be it a condominium, apartment, or flats, are required to form up a JMB, Joint Management Body, or Management Corporation to handle the maintenance and management. So one of the key statutory duty of these bodies is to ensuring the building is adequately placed with insurance. So this is where my tailored insurance plan comes into solution. So our all-in-one insurance is a comprehensive, flexible package that bundles several coverage essential into one package policy. The plan begins with a robust fire and perils insurance that protects the building, including the common properties, the plant and equipments and others in the condominium. The coverage safeguards not only fire and lightning strikes, also towards explosions, earthquake, flood, impact by cars, air freaks, the airplane damage, and also even riot strike, malicious damage. And in addition to these fire protections, the all-in-one plan also provides essential protections for the JMB, includes the loss that is caused by theft or robbery, not limited to the theft break-in with the sign of forcible entry and exit to the premise. Okay, and fidelity guarantee is for the pecuniary loss that is caused by the act of fraud of the own employee of the JMB committee and the workers. We also cover loss of money, whether it's in the premise, in the lock safe, caused by theft or fire, also the loss of money that is in transit between the bank and the JMB office or on the way to disperse to workers. Okay, we also pay for the broken of plate glass caused to the condominium, whether it's by misfortune or accident, including the cost to provide a temporary boarding up of the premise for the safety reason. Okay, next slide. So for machinery breakdown as well, is often happen in the condominium for lift, for genset, and many other things. It can be due to careless of the operators, short circuit, and many things. So insurance also provide protections to that we can design. And the public liability is also essential for third-party injuries and they are causing their property damage, whereby the JMB can be held responsible in certain cases to indemnify. Okay, we also, as a JMB MC, also face employers' liability because there are people working under them. They may be held responsible when there are occupational disease or work-related injuries happen in the premise. So also to top up with that, we can cater to a personal accident coverage for committee member and the workers as well, so they have peace of mind when working for the JMB. Okay, so one of the key features is E&O, error and omission, because JMB and the property manager is a professionals. Okay, they are formed together to manage the building, so they can be helped on civil liability for any wrongful misconducts from their duty. Also extend to cover scenarios such as loss of documents, defamations, and also when they miss certain maintenance schedule, so the JMB can be sued. So tall building, especially if you remember 911, can be vulnerable to the act of terrorism and sabotage, and my insurance company is ready to cover terrorists. Okay, so if the building that you invest or you live ever to come across situation like this, we will cover you. Okay, so talk about ideal referral. The best prospect for this plan, the first thing I have said is JMB and MC members, those who sit on the table to decide on management, insurance, and the risk planning for the condominium is my ideal referral. And also if the new JMB being formed up without experience how to manage, often they appoint a property managers. To name a few big ones, it's like Knight Frank, Henry Butchers. So they will also help you arrange the insurance. So this type of company is also my ideal referral. And lastly, the developers such as Gamuda, Sunway, IOI, because before the new condominium being handed over to JMB, they are arranging the insurance for you. So they are my ideal referral as well. Next slide, very kanchong. So, for instance, to listen, when they say they need the insurance for the condominium, and also they complain about, hey, I have this explosion or breakdown in the lift in the condominium, my insurance company, they're not paying it. So this is when you can mention Alex Kway is experienced and can arrange this insurance for them. Next slide. So thank you. We insure everything under the sun, and thank you for your time.